In the previous video, we discussed about the method of synchronization, and we also discussed what is synchronization. Synchronization is a method of connecting an incoming alternator safely to the bus bar. It is called synchronizing. This method is called synchronizing. So, when we connecting an incoming alternator to the bus bar, in that case it might be difference in frequency and phase of the voltage. So in that case we generally using three lamps methods or by synchroscope methods for the synchronizing of the alternator. So in the previous video we also discussed the three lamp methods. Now we discuss synchroscope methods, and it is a method which is more superior than three lamp methods. So just have a look. This is the synchroscope, and synchroscope generally an instrument that indicates by means of revolving pointer. Okay, the phase difference and frequency difference between the voltage of the incoming alternator and the bus bar. So we connecting the synchroscope here just between the incoming alternator and the bus bar. Okay, so these are the incoming alternator phases R, Y, B, and these are the bus bar phases denoted by R dashed, Y dashed, and B dashed. It is generally a small motor, the field being supplied from the bus bar through a potential transformer and the rotor from the incoming alternator. A pointer is attached to the rotor. So there are three cases happening. When the incoming alternator is running fast, that means the frequency of the incoming alternator is higher than the frequency of bus bar frequency. In that case, the rotor and hence the pointer moves in clockwise direction. So when the frequency of the incoming alternator is higher than the frequency of bus bar, so in that case the pointer moves clockwise direction. So it indicates the incoming alternator frequency is higher than the bus bar frequency. And when the incoming alternator is running slow, that in that case the frequency of the incoming alternator is lower than that of the bus bar frequency. So in that case the pointer moves anti-clockwise direction, that indicates slow. That means the frequency of incoming alternator is slower than the bus bar frequency. And when the frequency of the incoming alternator is equal to that of the bus bar, in that case no torque acts on the rotor and the pointer points vertically upward direction. Okay, here you can see that this is the vertically direction. It indicates the correct instant for connecting the incoming alternator to the bus bars. So when the frequency of the alternator and the bus bar are same, in that case the pointer is upward direction. So in that case we have to connect the incoming alternator to the main bus bar, right? So the synchroscope method is superior to the lamp method. As we say earlier, the synchroscope method is superior to the lamp method because it not only gives a positive direction of the time to close the switch, but also indicates the adjustment to be made should there be a difference between the frequency of the incoming alternator and bus bar. So we can adjust the frequency of the incoming alternator and the bus bar in this syncoscope, right? So that is why it is more superior. So thank you.